Hi guys, it's Emil here from Rally Motors Hyundai. I want to show you this 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport that we recently took on trade. Stock number H5526A. You can see 19-inch rims, all-wheel drive, 5-seater, beautiful leather interior. Comes with the panoramic sunroof, push start button, heated steering wheel, heated seats. Very clean vehicle. One local owner. So it only has 17,849 kilometers. So it's barely been used by the previous owner. Okay. Comes with power lift gate. Beautiful 2015 Santa Fe Sport. So if you guys want to come down at 199 Carson Drive or take it for a drive, come and see us or give us a call at 506-852-8200. Again, this is Emil. Thank you and have a great day.